Speed.
1F, take 1. Mark. Boop.
I said speed.
Oh, sorry.
Spot.
1F, take 2.
Alright, here we go.
I got this.
Get it. It's a little early. You should crinkle them right before you throw them.
Okay.
Just like crinkle the bag a little.
If we get this shot right, it's gonna be so awesome. But
Yeah.
Yeah, it keeps anonymous at bay.
fucking stupid shit.
Dude, something's being thrown at you from behind you. That's just...
Okay, but I'm not supposed to turn around, so I can't be like, oh shit! I have to be the force.
You can do it.
Great.
It keeps anonymous at bay.
You can't throw these chips.
Okay, say it keeps anonymous with me. Walk up and just kind of set them behind me and let them slide down. Fuck!
Fuck you! I wanted to go to Panera. You're the one who said it was too expensive and we had to go to Taco Hell.
quesarito!
Oh, sweet Jesus. I can't beat him.
Spills everything. Fuck the weed!
Okay, cool.
Yeah, throw them at me. I like that better. Sorry if your chips are broken.
Hold on, we got 3 bags.
What?
Classy.
Food. Food. We can eat them when we have tacos.
I wanted a quesarito!
Fucking Alex, where are you?
I'm over here.
What's on your room?
Mine's the beer pong table. His is the outdoor beer
Hang
pong
on,
table.
take it back.
Was I actually opening the bag of
Yeah,
chips this
you
time?
need to
Okay,
open the
I'm
bag.
sorry.
Fuck. I bumped you and I looked at you and I was even...
I can't tell if you're trying to beat me or you're just kind of like getting ready to feel me up or something because you got your hand like in my shirt.
Well, I'm trying to grab you by the
Yeah, I
by
know,
the
like
collar.
there, but it's like just like we're holding it for him and you're just kind of like this. I'm like, hey, so you gotta do this thing or what? Like,
Hey,
you know?
shit or get off the pot.
yeah, like come on, let's do this. Like, jealous much? Thanks today.
You're the one who said let's go to
I just
fucking
wanted
Taco
a
Hell.
quesarito!
Sweet Jesus.
Hi guys.
Smack.
Honestly, this is a product of my roommate Doug, who literally...
Continuity!
It's right there! They're wrapping that piece of lint.
It was on tails. Okay.
The entire shot.
Just record.
That's really cool. You should just be wandering around in there, like trying to come back out here, but he can't fucking figure out where the door is.
Guys, what are we doing?
Oh god.
Right?
That's creepy.
Right? Fuck up out of here! All right, let's get this.
6 feet. Take a step toward the couch. Baby step back.
Two hops.
Come on. You're a runway model, right? Work it.
I got my finger stuck in the
Worst injury on set.
It's on camera, isn't it? You're recording it? Oh, God!
Take another baby step back. I think I liked you where you were.
Where we started?
Exactly.
Well, now you just started. It took me a second to pick it up, but I realized that you were singing the electric side.
He's just gonna make her angry.
You
It's a good
can.
eyeliner.
I just gotta... hang on. Okay, now get back in there. Oh my god! Oh, it's so stinky!
So, Jason's a zombie then?
Yeah, actually, he has the zombificus virus.
I bet you wish you had doors now.
Well, I do have the one that's keeping out your poop stench. I guess. Hey guys! You bumped a cat toy, jackass.
No, the cat just
Oh,
jumped
no,
up there. She was like, now is the time. That was so fucking cute.
Now is my acting debut.
Don't.
me just handle that zombie on my own. Then.
What are you doing? I'm back at the door. I stubbed my finger really hard.
Hey, bada, swing!
Hey guys.
Oh, hey man.
Oh my god, are you okay?
Are you cool if I get on Destiny real quick?
Dude, yeah, have you checked the door below you? Yeah, check out our fire teams. They're really good for finding people to play with.
She's gonna let me deal with the zombie.
That sounds like
You know, I love you a lot, even though we just met, but the fact is, Destiny is love, Destiny is life.
2 weeks.
You know, it's a stressful situation. I figured I could drop that word. I thought it was safe
I
with
need
you.
a beer.
Jesus Christ. That's how you're gonna solve this? You're gonna go and drink.
Hey, I think we got him. Hey, Alex! Kyle!
Somebody should come help her. Come here. You go away.
Sorry, I was yelling the wrong fucking name!
Speed the Sound reunion tour.
Don't kill me,
Speeding towards a red light. Speed Racer once hit a homeless person. Rolling. Speeding. Nothing on that one?
No.
You ran out?
I forgot to be thinking of one over the last 5 minutes.
Speed. Okay.
Yeah, this was exactly me.
2S, take 1.
We have to stop as soon as we get Alex is being shot again. because he has
Sorry,
to
I had to burp.
walk
I wanted to get that out
and then we'll have to
before
stop
we,
again then.
You're cool.
Take 2.
We've gotta get it.
I have swords and a gun.
Damn!
Puppy died.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, here we go. Last one. You're gonna nail it, girl.
I'm feeling less badass now.
You're such a fucking badass.
Yes.
I would follow you into the mists of Avalon.
So good. I like. Good.
It's delicious. Love scars. My nose itches. Okay. Damn it. Love wounds and Mars.
Shut up! Shut up! We never should have moved to Colorado.
Alright, back
never
to
should have
1.
done that.
Back to 1.
Damn it, Kyle.
I'm sorry.
Wait, what was it?
No, nothing. I didn't say anything.
Do it. Do it!
This crazy bitch gonna kill me, 'cause I got a big dick.
Damn, no.